Welcome to the channel where we teach you real English that people use every day, one piece at a time. Fair enough. Native speakers say this all the time. Fair enough means I understand your point and I accept it, even if I don't like it. Your friend says, I don't want kids because I like money and I like living a stress-free life. And you say, fair enough. Kids are expensive and they shit. Your sister says, I'm going to quit my job if I have to work another Saturday. She spends money like she's fucking Paris Hilton, but it's her life. Fair enough. Stupid, but fair enough. I weigh 130 kilos. That's fucking fat. I need to stop drinking beer and start going to the gym. Fair enough. You clearly don't want to die. Now you say it smooth and relaxed. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. This is emotional intelligence and social ease, baby. Hit like and follow for more real English examples.